So to make a tassel, I'm going to grab a 2-inch strip of paper and get a piece that's going this way. I'm going to put 2 here like this. So one is going to kind of be to the top of it, and I normally use some washi tape to hold them down. Perfect. And now I'm going to take the end of my embroidery thread and I am going to wrap it around this a couple times. So let's go, let me see how much time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 21, 22, 23, 24. Let's do 25 times, right? So we're going to cut it off at the bottom here. We're going to put away this embroidery thread because we have enough to make another tassel. And I'm going to release this one on top. Try to make it as equal as I can and tie it really tight to the top. And now I could release the other one, and this one is actually going to wrap around to make that amazing top how a tassel usually looks. I'm just going to cut this off here. Right, so I'm going to squeeze it off of this. Right, I want to leave one piece on the inside, so I'm going to hold the top, right, and this one I'm going to hold it like this, and then I'm going to wrap this around a couple times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe, yeah. And I'm going to grab the other side that's on the inside and tie it. See how cute that looks, like a real tassel. And then we're going to find the center of all of these and cut it. Once you pull it down, we're going to put it all together and trim whatever may need trimming again. And you have a beautiful tassel. Now for these, I'm going to send this back through with the needle. So I'm going to take a needle thread at this time, since I want 2 pieces to go in. I'm going to send this needle down on the inside, send these 2 pieces inside the needle threader, thread them through the needle, and bring this needle down so that knot and everything will go on the inside. And then we're going to cut off the loose ends. And we have a beautiful tassel. The bag. So I'm going to tie the tassel now onto the bag. Make sure it's the length we want it, and I think right here is really good.